In this video, I'll show you how to create a Binance wallet so you can start holding and using crypto in the app. First, download the Binance app from the App Store or Google Play and open it. On the welcome screen, tap Register or Sign Up. Choose whether you want to sign up with your email or phone number. Enter your details, pick your country/region, and create a strong password. Tick the box to agree to the terms, then tap Create Account/Next. Binance will send you a verification code to your email or phone. Open the message, copy the code, go back to the app, and paste it to confirm your new account. Once you're in, you've effectively created your Binance wallet. This account comes with built-in wallets like Funding, Spot, and sometimes Earn. To see them, tap Wallets at the bottom of the app. Here you can check balances, deposit crypto, or buy your first coins with card or P2P. For extra security, go to your profile icon to security and enable 2FA, like Google Authenticator or SMS, so your new Binance wallet is better protected. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.